Many healthcare workers believe that the mean body temperature of healthy adults is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Philip, a doctor at the University of Maryland Center for Vaccine Development, suspects this number might be incorrect. Determine the null and alternative hypotheses. So again, first thing we want to write down here is H sub 0 for our null hypothesis, and then our colons, and then the alternative is going to be H sub 1 with our colons, and then the parameter we are testing. So here we're talking about the mean body temperature being 98.6. So the null is going to be the mean equals 98.6. So the parameter we're testing is the population mean. And then it says that this doctor suspects that the number might be incorrect. So if you see the word incorrect, he just thinks that that's not right. So he's just saying it's different. He doesn't say it's less than or greater than. So we're just going to say that the mean is simply not equal to 98.6. So we're working with a two-tailed test. So part B asked us to say at the conclusion of the researcher if sample data indicated that the null hypothesis should be rejected. Well, if we reject, that means that we have sufficient evidence to conclude the alternatives. So we have sufficient evidence to conclude H1. Right? So in this case, that would mean that this a little bit. Again, I apologize. Dogs going a little bit crazy. So that would mean that there is sufficient evidence to suggest that the mean body temperature of healthy adults is not equal to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. So then part C asks us, suppose the mean body temperature of healthy adults is actually 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Was type 1 or type 2 error committed? So in this case, we have that the null should be rejected, but it's true. Yes. This should go down here. So when the null is rejected, but it's actually true, this is a type 1 error.